Right. Muna. Talk to me. Eh? The Yahoo Boys. They want to run down my account. Thank you. I don't have the number now. That's the number. See them. They want to scam me. Yahoo Boys. Look at this city. Criminal. Hello, be this. Oh, from bank.
Yes. So I've just discovered that there is a little bit problem in your account.
Jesus!
It's to be fixed down now. Yes, sir. All we just need from you is just your account details so that we can fix it down.
My account detail. No problem. I go send and give. I say make you no worry. I go send and give you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Small pikin wey never clean their nyash well, don't come scam me.
See this wahala. See the kind of what does mean now.
I don't even need my account details. I need them.
Why don't they deal with what?
I'm not going to do I don't need my account details. We
don't keep quiet.
You know the full.
Are you going to get this thing for that now?
Give this one for now. What?
I don't even need my account. I was watching you guys, my people. I need to scam me.